Best air hose fittings. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best air hose fittings for every job. From enhancing your tool's power to ensuring a reliable connection, we've got you covered with top selections, including high-flow options and industrial-grade sets. Whether you need precision fittings for your workshop or durable components for heavy-duty applications, we'll explore the key features and benefits of each kit to help you make the right choice for your needs. Let's dive in and optimize your pneumatic setup. CGLE air hose fittings. Discover the convenience of the Quick Connect air hose fittings kit, perfect for a variety of applications from auto repair to woodworking. This high-quality plastic kit includes 60 fittings in sizes 5/32, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2 inches, with 12 pieces of each size. Designed for easy installation, these fittings feature a simple push-in design, 360-degree rotation, and an oval release ring for effortless removal. The fittings ensure strong sealing with high pressure resistance, long service life, and are ideal for automatic industries, workshop equipment, and more. Enjoy reliable performance with a firm, durable construction and tight air sealing for all your project needs. PrimeFit air hose fittings. Simplify your compressed air setup with the PrimeFit 1/2 inch union fitting. This versatile fitting allows you to join 1/2 OD compressed air tubing to a 3/8 female NPT threaded port, making it ideal for extending or creating a new setup. Key features include an easy-to-use push-to-connect design and a 3/8 in NPT threaded connection with included thread seal for an airtight fit. The fitting is reusable and easy to reconnect if needed, ensuring long-term convenience and reliability. Backed by a 1-year replacement warranty, this union fitting provides a dependable solution for your compressed air needs. Merlin Steel industrial air hose fittings. Elevate your tool performance with the Merlin I/M series male/female coupler kit, engineered for durability and high efficiency. Designed to handle tough jobs and harsh environments, this quick coupler is constructed from high-strength steel and is rated for a maximum of 300 psi. The I/M industrial series ensures robust performance, while the 1/4 in 18 NPT connection provides a reliable fit for various applications. Ideal for demanding tasks, this coupler kit promises longer life and consistent performance, making it a dependable choice for any industrial setting. TL Toologen air hose fittings. Upgrade your toolkit with the TL Toologen air hose fittings kit, featuring a comprehensive selection of 36 high-quality brass fittings. This kit includes 10 male plugs, 10 female plugs, 4 female couplers, 4 male couplers, 4 male hex nipples, 4 female hex couplings, and 5 3/8 DOT air fittings. Crafted from solid brass, these fittings offer excellent corrosion resistance and durability, with a maximum working pressure of 300 psi for most fittings and 250 psi for DOT air fittings. Designed for industrial/M/D type connections, they ensure compatibility with a wide range of equipment. Ideal for professional job sites, automotive shops, and home use, this kit provides efficient airflow and reliable performance for air tools, compressors, and more. Master Elite Series air hose fittings. Elevate your tool connections with the Master Elite Series 16-piece air hose couplers and plugs fitting set. This professional-grade kit features 4 universal push-to-connect couplers, 2 male and 2 female, and 12 I/M industrial-type plugs, 6 male and 6 female, all crafted from premium blue anodized aluminum. The lightweight yet durable fittings can handle up to 300 psi and are designed with 6 locking balls to ensure a secure connection. The quick couplers support all 3 common plug types, industrial, I/M, automotive, T, and ARO, A, and are compatible with most brands. Ideal for use in auto repair, construction, and home settings, this versatile set connects easily to air hoses, compressors, and pneumatic tools. Enjoy peace of mind with a satisfaction guarantee for up to 1 year. Bellet Air Hose Fittings. Upgrade your pneumatic setup with this high-quality Quick Connect Air Hose Fittings Kit. Crafted from durable plastic, these fittings offer excellent air tightness and pressure resistance, ensuring reliable performance and a long service life. The internal card spring and specialized groove design provide a secure seal, preventing leaks and maintaining strong performance under pressure. With a 360 degrees rotating cap, these fittings accommodate a range of gas pipes and are easy to install or remove with a simple press. Designed to meet strict production standards, they feature a smooth, burr-free surface for durability. Suitable for use within a working pressure range of 0 to 1 MPa and temperatures from 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this kit includes fittings in sizes PU 1/4, PV 1/4, PE 1/4, and PY 1/4, in black and blue. Milton 1/4 in air hose fittings. Unleash the full potential of your air tools with the Milton Industries HIGHFLOW Puro V-Style coupler. Designed to handle high-volume, low-pressure applications, this 1/4 NPT coupler delivers up to 75% more airflow, providing your tools with enhanced torque and speed. Ideal for paint spray applications, sandblasting, and high CFM blow guns, it supports an airflow of up to 74 SCFM and operates at a maximum inlet pressure of 300 psi. The coupler is compatible with M-style and A-style plugs but is optimized for use with V-style plugs to retain maximum flow. Made available in both brass and steel, it withstands temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for joining us as we reviewed the best air hose fittings on the market. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect components to boost your tool performance and ensure efficient, leak-proof connections. For any further questions or to get your hands on these top-rated fittings, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews and tips. See you next time. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe our channel.